At the resumed proceeding in the matter before lead counsel for the petitioners, Mr. Robert Mukpo-Ero, SAN, informed the Justice Wilfred Kochi-led three-member panel tribunal that they have concluded their case. The application came shortly after the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, produced 5 additional bimodal voter accreditation system (BVAS) machines that were used for the election. The electronic devices, which were tendered by a senior technical officer in the ICT department of the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, Mr. Anthony Itodo, were admitted in evidence, though all the respondents in the matter objected, saying they would give their reason in their final written addresses. It will be recalled that the tribunal had earlier admitted in evidence a total of 148 beavers that were used in 133 polling units where results of the election are being disputed by the PDP. Meanwhile, the tribunal has fixed Wednesday for INEC to open its defense. INEC had declared that Okpebolo of the APC secured a total of 291,667 votes. Aggrieved by the outcome of the poll, the PDP and its candidates approached the tribunal praying it to nullify INEC's declaration of the APC and Okpebolo as winners of the contest. The petitioners, among all other things, contended that the governorship election was invalid by reason of alleged non-compliance with provisions of the Electoral Act. They equally argued in the petition marked EPT ED Gulf 022 2024 that Governor Okpebolo of the APC did not secure the highest number of lawful votes that were cast at the election. Well, Honorable Barioma, I would like to get your take on this. This is as the PDP rather are coming up with their witnesses, and they've closed their case. Last week we heard them saying that they weren't able to provide, witnesses due to logistics reasons and the rest. But now, finally, they've been able to produce these witnesses to the courts regarding the governorship election petition that's ongoing right now, and they are challenging the results from the INEC and also the winner, the Edo State Governor, Monday Okpebolo, as Edo Governor, as a governor-elect. So they have now closed their cases, bringing in their witnesses and all of that. Let me get your take on this.
Yeah, is it that the PDP way of saying that the APC wasn't, or all they did was a kind of manipulation?
Well, that's what they are saying, but then the PDP made provisions of the beavers.
Yeah. So what I know, APC have taken over. I hope I'm right.
Yeah, sure.
APC have taken over, and APC are in charge of the Edo State. But at the same time, it happens that when it comes to politics or when it comes to election, it always look like when the election they in favor you, you always want to fight. You serve as the opposition party to to counter what must have happened. So at this point in time, I think the PDP should accept defeat.
I mean, you're saying they shouldn't challenge. Already they are...
They are on it, but what I know, it's going to be very much hard for them to conquer.
So why do you say so?
Why? Yeah, the evidence is clear. So where were they?
But then they've provided their own witnesses.
The weaknesses...
You think they won't be able to challenge this?
It's under probability. And remember, the politics is who can do better. So if really you're in charge, you think someone who is in charge will allow those who are not okay? Is it very easy for someone who is not on seat to fight someone who is on seat in Nigeria? So just look at the other way around. Reverse can be the case, but it's not very easy. If you're talking about put it the way it happens and put it America and other parts of the world, I think that can likely be possible. But when it comes to Nigerian's system of government, it's under probability, and it's very hard to some extent. Even the PDPs can never accept the APCs to come in, even really they're in charge, as the elections favors them.
Well, so you're saying that one thing, that you do not see any possibility of PDP, emerging as winners as regards the case, because already we have the APC as the governor-elect by INEC.
Yeah.
But then the case is that they are challenging that, well, look, what INEC declared was wrong. Well, INEC came up with a bimodal voters accreditation system, to prove your points that these were people who voted for this person, Governor Monday Okpebholo, that he emerges as the governor. But at this point in time, PDP are saying that no, the beavers malfunctioned at that time. It wasn't working, and they also made provisions of witnesses to also testify their claims. So it doesn't seem like we're trying to contempt the court, or preempt the courts rather. Let's put it this way. Do you think that their rights, first of all, to challenge, even though the Governor Monday Okpebholo has already emerged as the winner, do you think it's right for them to challenge that?
Yes, it's their right, actually.
Now, if it is their right, so why are you saying that you do not see anything coming out of all of this?
but what I'm putting it to you, that is not very easy, that they will come up with the evidences of 19 witnesses, right? I think the 19 witnesses from PDP. Yeah, but what I will tell you, it's not very easy, just as we think as a layman, because remember the court ruling in Nigeria is not that favorable like before. Yes, I must tell you that. So when we talk, we'll also compare to what is happening in other parts of the country, or what is happening even within the state where we are. So it shouldn't be you want to use. I think survival of the fittest. If you fit, you can go. That's those who are qualified should go. So if really the APC have been qualified with all they did in the election and whatsoever, it means, so where were they when I think they should hold the INEC responsible when they are pointing out that the electoral machine was malfunctioning. And that happens in Nigeria, but it can't happen in America. They are conducting the election, and then the election machines is now malfunctioning. How possible?
All right, so what do you think this will mean for Ighodalo right now?
I think he should be praying, but at the same time, he has the power. He has a yam, and he have the cutlass.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what you know. When it comes to Nigerian system of government, the particular government in charge, they have the knife, and they have the they have the yam, they have the knife, and they have the cutlass. So they prefer either to use knife or to use cutlass in their dissection.